Yvonne Koo from eXp Realty. I just wanted to show you this property is potentially coming up for sale, and it's actually a duplex, and it's a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom with a huge lot at the back. This is the street, this is the neighbor to the right, and then that's the property, and there is a school right there. This is 1400 and 1402 Putnam.
It's gonna be 90 today.
It is. I'm gonna just show you a little bit of the raft. Here's the patio, the condition of the wood, and the chicken wire. So there's 2 doors. This is door number 1, and then we're gonna go to door number 2, and this is the property that the owner lived in. It's right here, and when I come in, I can tell that there is some a open ceiling, and here's another open ceiling, and there's furniture in this property, and here is the kitchen area. The layout is actually pretty good, very easy. You have a window to the left, and then you have a stove, and then you have refrigerator, and then if you go inside, it's gonna be the bedroom, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so here is the bedroom. There you go, and you can see there, that's the door to go out.
Style builds.
It's actually a really good floor plan. Very functional.
Mm-hmm.
Here is the bathroom door, and we definitely have water damage from the roof. This needs to be removed, and the toilet is got a lot of books. Okay, and you do have a small window out here, and let's see, and behind that, I wonder what is that structure. It's like,
that's the built back in of that.
Oh, of that space. Okay,
Built-in cabinet.
got it. And then we got 2 windows, right?
Mm-hmm.
Window on the right and window on the left. This is the closet, and you can see that I just don't think that there's a light bulb here. Anyway, so clothes on one side and shelving on the other. Okay, so we're in second unit, and this is what it looks like inside. And this is the living area, and then basically the sink is to the left side over here in the kitchen. And then I'm going to show you the bedroom next. So as you come in, this is going to be the coat closet, and this is the room inside, and the wall, this is supposed to be the bedroom with 2 windows on the left, and then up top the roof, and there is definitely black matter in here. And there's the bathroom on the left side, and it's a pink bathroom. And that's the end of the interior of this house. Okay, I'm gonna walk towards the left side of this property. And there's a step down, and here's the window on the left side, and you have a fence. So you have like 3 windows on this side. The roof definitely is damaged, but the backyard lot is huge. Here you go. It's like a 7,000 something square foot lot, and here's the electrical. we go. And the fence goes all the way to the end. It's a huge lot. And the swamp coolers, there's 2 of those right there. So this is a elementary school. It's basically by Bruce and Putnam. It's walking to the property like maybe 2 minutes. And they have a little swimming pool. They actually have a little swimming pool in here. I can't believe it. Let's see what else they got. So here is the rest of the school. And next to the school is actually a park. Huge park. With playgrounds. Nice park. This is what the street looks like. And this actually, we're going to turn left on Donna. This is Putnam. Just give you a feel of the neighborhood. Well, at night, you're going to see people playing baseball over here. And here is school on the right. So there is a church on my left, and then the school is on my right. And they have apartments. And now we're headed to the freeway. To view this property, please call us at 702-819-0035. I repeat, 702-819-0035. Thank you.